today we have another great product to review. We have a USB mini humidifier.
Alright, Anna, go ahead and open that. Let's take a look at this mini USB humidifier. Take a glance of the instructions. And we will get it working. Okay, so it needs a continuous source of power via the USB cable, and we have plugged it in. So what's next, Anna?
We're going to pour water.
Okay. Is there a marker or something?
Yep.
Okay. Pour it up to the line. There you go. Whoa.
Wait.
So we have the USB port right here. Now screw on the top. Okay. Whoa, almost immediately. Look at that. Hope you can see that on camera, but after we filled it with water, I plugged it into USB, almost immediately the steam starts coming out. The mist. So it has a light right here. I don't know if you can see with these lights in the studio. It's a nice pretty blue right now. So you can shut the light off, Emma.
Tap it 3 times.
Tap it 3 times.
Oh, 2 times. No, 2 times.
2 times? Alright. Tap it 2 times, light goes off. How do you get the light on?
Right.
So it looks like the light is different color. This is like a lime green. I guess it cycles through different colors. So what's cool about this, Anna, is since it runs by a USB cable, we can plug it into our car, and this fits right in a drink holder. So you can have a USB mini humidifier in your car while you drive, and don't worry, your car's not going to get all fogged up or anything. Okay, we're out in our car right now, and we get our USB mini humidifier all ready to go. Anna, go ahead and plug it into the USB port. And the mini humidifier fits right into our cup holder. And right away, look at that, it starts working. So there we go. You can be driving along and have a mini humidifier right in your car. You got essential oils in there and your car will smell beautiful. So we will put a link where you can buy this USB mini humidifier. Thanks for watching.